Welcome to Christianity United. I'm Joey, a Protestant with a passion for Christian unity. I don't know about you, but whenever I hop on the internet, it feels like a lot of Christians are just divided about everything. Catholics, the Orthodox, Protestants, Pentecostals. It feels like all we're trying to do is tear each other down, even though we all profess faith in the same God. And that doesn't sit right with me. My goal is to foster unity among the various Christian branches so that we can be one as Christ and the Father are one. On this channel, you're going to find all kinds of videos, deep theological dives, explorations of different spiritual disciplines, visits to other churches, conversations with Christians across the family tree. At Christianity United, we lead with curiosity and avoid condemnation. If any of this piques your interest, consider subscribing. And if you aren't sure where to start, I'd recommend this video first. I'll see you there. I'm Joey. This is Christianity United.